Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a carousel.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw a horse very quickly. I start with his head, then I draw his eyes. His ear, his hair, then I draw his body with his 4 legs. And the tail. And the equipment of the horse. Then I draw the carousel like this. I love carousels! And you? Wonderful! Fantastic!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color, I will use the colors of the rainbow. I start at the top with red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Then I use purple. And pink here. And I start again. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Amazing! Now let's color the horse. I paint his hair and tail with fuchsia. Then for his body, I use light brown. Let's color the horse equipment with this red marker. Orange, purple, very good!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.